Hello everyone, we're now here at Ben's Korean Cafe, and it wouldn't be complete without a banoffee pie or banoffee cake. And too much even, we are going to unbox this little box here, this little kid here. This is a card holder with money clip. We'll give you the details in a few. Thank you. Hello. So for now, I am actually going to open this one. It's a card holder with money clip. This is black in color, and it says XDO8A. For some reason, I don't know why, because this is actually men's wallet. But let's see. Let's take a look. What does it have? Okay. So, oh, nothing in here. Anyway, this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it. There's like a shadow. Okay. And it's kind of thick. Oh well, let's try to check this out. This is the clip. The money clip. You're kind of obsessed with this. Why don't you help me? Because I really don't know how to describe this. So, well, to be honest with you, I'm not sure why he's obsessed with this, but every man does, I think. He said just to, keep things simpler. I'm not sure if this one is doing the job, but let's see what he can say about this. Can you help me out, please? Because I don't know really how to describe this.
Okay, so I bought this one because of its minimalistic design. So compared with the leather wallets or the usual wallets, this one is very small and compact. So just for experience, I bought this one. This because it's very cheap. But there are minimalistic wallets that are very expensive.
Expensive.
Yep. This one costs around 300 pesos.
Plus shipping?
In around, but there are those. Regarding the expensive wallets or minimalistic wallets, they range about 5,000, even 7,000.
So the main purpose why he really bought that is because of the card. He said that the card would usually break when he puts it in a wallet.
Because if you know me personally, I'm very heavy. So if I put it on my back pocket, the cards would break.
The tendency is that he would sit and then the wallet is on his back pocket, and he said that it breaks the card. So I think that's the main reason why you're kind of obsessed with this kind of wallet, right?
Yep.
Anyway, so okay, can you show us how it's done?
So regarding this money clip, you can just insert it
inside?
here. So compared with the Ridge wallet, you have to I think you have to unscrew the money clip, or this case, in order to remove the money clip. But this one, it's up to you. You have the option to remove, to not use or use this money clip. And just also like the Ridge wallet, this one has very smooth edges. I'm not sure if I can show it to you. There, so that you can easily insert the card. So let me try to insert the card here. So you can just
Put it inside.
there. You can just slide it in.
That's an advantage card. That's mine. Just for testing it out.
I haven't tried, or I haven't determined yet the max capacity of cards that you can put in. But so far, I have about 8 to 7, and I was able to put them all in. So next, how to remove this card?
Yeah, so
It's
the
just
max is 8 cards, and if you will put it in. So far we put in 2. So yeah, try to remove it for us, please, and let's see.
so for me. So far, I've been using it for about 2 days. I have a silver colored one also for this one. I hold it here and then
You
there,
push it,
push it from this side so that you can.
you can remove it.
Yep, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, you're showing
So
my name again.
sorry. So again, just slide it here, then there, there. Then you can add another one.
So putting it in, it's just a bit of sliding, and I think it's easy to put it in. It's easy
There.
to put in the cards, and it's easy. It's also easy to remove it. You said you just have to push through this, right? Like this,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can remove it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm kind so anyway, but if you're going to just choose one, hmm, a bit of effort.
So, like I said, I have a silver version of this one. So here, so I have also the paper bills.
Yeah, and you know what he did? He actually like folded every
One by
bills
one.
one by one.
I'm still finding out what is the comfortable way on putting the paper bills on this money clip.
I think it would be a lot easier if you put it together. Because if you will remove this, see, everything will be removed. So I told him to do it like in one fold, every bills. So when he remove it, he would just have to remove everything and then choose the bill that he wants to get. That's just for me. I don't know. He's not listening yet. So anyway. But that's true.
Okay. So again, this is about 7 to 8 cards. I can't show you what cards do I have here. And regarding so if you have this enough I mean this number of cards, so you have to again push it like this. But just a side note, once you push it like this, you can like
What?
squeeze it here so that it will fan out. See?
Oh, so you can use the card.
And then you
Okay.
can selectively choose which card
You
you
wanna
want to
get.
pull out. So you can also pull
Okay.
it more and then there. See?
Oh, okay.
So you can
that's
choose.
the purpose of it. It's like garterize.
Yeah.
It's really a garter.
All right. So
What are the other colors, by the way? Black and gray, and do they have another variety of colors?
yeah, they also have red, I think, blue, green. You can check on the description
Description.
below or
That he
for
will
for the
put.
yeah, for the other colors.
I prefer the black one than the silver one.
I'm more of a monocolor person.
I like the black one. Okay.
All right.
So that's pretty much the description of it. I really can't give you any much data than what he does because he's using one. So the paper clip, so you can opt to remove the paper clip as what he said earlier. You can just simply remove it, right?
Yep. If you're not fond of this money clip,
Okay. Oh,
just
I
the
could say
card.
it's smooth. I could say it's thick, a bit thick.
Yeah. So it feels very sturdy because
Does it have RFID blocker thingy? Does it describe?
yeah, it does describe about that one, but I haven't confirmed or tested yet. I'm not sure how to test the RFID blocking. So, but maybe I'll put an update on the description also regarding that if I was
Okay.
able to confirm regarding that one.
That it does have and it works. Anyway, as for me, this is just an honest opinion. I think it's a bit thick, and
So far,
for card usage only, yeah, the card wouldn't break that easily because it's thick. That's the advantage of it.
and so far for the past 2 days, I feel comfortable using it or having it on my front pocket rather than on my back pocket.
Oh, okay.
So, well, compared to the usual wallet, I'm a bit comfortable having them on my back pocket. But for this one, I prefer it on the front pocket.
Oh, okay. So, well, that's it. That's in it for you, and you can actually try it if you want to use it. It's a men's wallet anyway. So yeah, you can opt to again. You can opt to put in the card. What's that? The money clip. But you can put card too, right? Aside from money, or this is just meant for money. You sure? Maybe
Unless you want to scratch it.
you could put card. Mm, yeah. For it's thick, but I'm not sure if this is scratch proof. Is it?
Haven't confirmed it yet.
Wait, maybe you can scratch it. But no. But yeah, that's in it for me.
Okay, so I guess that's it for now. Again, if you have questions about this product, you can comment on this video.
Okay.
All right.
Just having some tough time saying goodbye. But yeah, that's it for this wallet, and the description will also be entered or will be put in on the description box on this video.
Okay, that will be all.
That would be all then. Bye bye.